Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I'm gonna talk really loud so y'all can hear me. I'm at Whitaker Farms and I'm in my happy place in their bakery. Let me pull my pants up and we're gonna get our hands dirty here in just a minute. I wanna introduce you to some really sweet ladies that are working really hard behind the scenes. And I'm gonna let y'all tell me your name again, please.
Connie and Nicole.
Jubilee, Connie, and Nicole. Thank you, ladies. I can't go live because of the reception, but we're gonna just pre-record, okay? So I'm gonna talk really loud. So don't mind me. Perfect. I have to take tomatoes to make prosciutto at the next stop or something.
Yeah.
Okay, talk to me, girl. And if I repeat you, it's because I'm gonna go close to the camera.
Okay, this is my #1 recipe. Is Strawberry Delight.
Yum.
When we did it for Channel 8 several years ago,
I
they
saw
said
it.
it was the most requested recipe they have ever had. And
Awesome.
it is on our website.
Okay.
So you can go to our website and find it.
You can go to the website and find that. That's awesome.
So I start out with 1 box of vanilla wafers
Okay.
for the crust. And I'm going to do this today in a pan people can take home with them.
Yum.
So we can sell it later.
Absolutely.
But we will taste it too, and then we'll sell them. So because I want these crumbled, I take my rolling pin and I put them in a Ziploc bag.
And get your aggressions out.
And I chop them. And if I don't have a rolling pin, I just take a cup and bam.
Yes.
You can always improvise.
Absolutely.
Just know.
Absolutely.
But, so you just get them get up pretty good like this, and then you just dump them in your pan,
Okay.
which is like this. I'm not used to Lisa working on the camera, people. This is usually stuff I do in my kitchen, and we bring it over here and go from that. So
Next time I want to go in your kitchen.
Okay, and so we'll have bigger pieces sometimes, and I don't worry about that.
It's a whole box.
It's a whole box.
You got
it's
it.
a whole box, and it's just sort of spread out like this. Our next layer is, and I use a hand mixer at home, so these girls probably will have to teach me how to use these.
Well, now I love a KitchenAid, honey.
I know they do too.
I do.
I love hand mixers, and that's me.
Yeah, but
I use 2 cream cheese.
I can do so many things.
Oh,
if
I know.
Yes.
You can. And when in the kitchen, we have to over here.
Absolutely.
But at home, I don't.
I understand.
I don't cook a lot of desserts at home because I'm the one that eats them. My
Same.
husband don't.
I'm the same way, and Andy's the same way.
Yes, so that's not good. I cook them on the weekends when my kids are coming.
Now, Andy will eat a pound cake for breakfast.
Really?
So if I have a pound cake, but my problem is I'm cutting a slice of it every time I walk by it.
Me and you too. My problem is our strawberry ice cream here.
Girl,
Oh my gosh.
stop.
Yes, I do that every night. So now,
I hear you.
so I do 2 cream cheese,
Okay.
and I let them stay out all night because I want them at room temperature. They're very hard to work with. And so I do that, and then I put in, if you can see that.
I'm
You
going
can
to adjust
move
the camera.
over.
I'm going to adjust the camera.
Okay, and I need to get my Cool Whip out anyway.
Get your Cool Whip, girl. We're doing Strawberry Delight. Come on back.
I'm watching you.
I forgot to bring our aprons. They're packed in the bag. Oh, well.
So,
This is the #1 dessert requested through Fox 8. This is Faylene. This is my best friend, Wendy.
okay. How are you, I am fine.
Good. She's actually my aunt. It's a long story. She married my dad's baby brother. My
Well, she
dad was the
actually
oldest.
looks like it.
I know, we grew up beside of each other. And thank you. I take that as a compliment.
She's wonderful.
She taught me
I've
how
known
to
her forever.
She taught me how to fix my hair one time. That one did.
Maybe she needs to teach me.
I know, right? That's another segment. We'll have Wendy,
We're doing another
Wendy the
segment.
hairdresser.
Yes.
Okay, so what she's done so far is she has taken a box of vanilla wafers and she has crumbled them. And if y'all saw that, she just took the beater to them. Take your aggressions out, all that. 1 layer's that. 2 cream cheeses
2
here.
cream cheeses, and then I'm going to use, it says on my recipe, a half of the box, but people have different sizes.
Yes.
So I just take 2 cups and put in here.
2 cups of powdered sugar. Okay.
And then do this with my 2 cups. Lisa's much more particular than I am taking it off.
She don't watch much because she's busy. Y'all know I'm not particular.
So then
I have stuff everywhere.
So then I do 1 cup of my Cool Whip,
Okay.
and that's for my next layer.
And then you're going to let me lick that.
Yes, when I'm get done with the batter.
Okay, I'm going to lick it.
This.
I'm ready to lick something.
So,
This is awesome.
okay, and then this gets mixed. And
All right.
I think We're gonna see, girls, how does this work?
We're gonna
Y'all,
throw it
I'm-
up. We're gonna
I'm
throw
a
it
hand
up.
mixer.
We're gonna throw
Turn
it
it
all
on,
over.
you know how.
I do. There we go. And I got a little lick on my finger. I'm not double dipping, so don't get crazy. You know what it has to be? I think it pops down on
No,
there.
this bowl don't. This is my kitchen bowl. I should have did theirs.
Oh, honey, I'm sorry. I thought, yeah, I'm sorry. Look, I'm trying to take over the whole set here,
Hey,
okay?
you can do it, but I know what I do at home.
I got you.
These girls do most of the cooking in here because I also do landscaping. And today I'm doing funeral arrangements for different people. So
Faylene, did you tell me one time, too, that you do furniture market?
we do parts of it.
I understand.
Yes, so we do a couple of commercial businesses, so and grow their plants. So we're quite busy.
I bet weddings are big for you, as beautiful as your plants are.
I do flowers when I want to.
I understand.
That is also just like we've got one here in September. We'll be doing all the flowers for it. We've done several. It's usually people that we know. We have done some people we didn't know when I'm ready, I will try anything, and if they get a florist that won't try something, I will.
Good, because when mine
That's just
finally
me.
find the one to marry, I'm coming to get those ferns.
As you see, I get this beat up really, really soft. Because if not, and it's really hard to spread. That is one thing with on the vanilla wafer crumb, because it's not solid.
Yeah. Well, I guess it doesn't matter if it's messy, because it tastes
No,
good anyway.
no.
Right.
I'm going to let you cut that off.
All right.
Okay. So we're going to pull this out.
That's
because I need
awesome.
to get this,
I got you. Let me help you. Hold on.
because I need all of this.
Yes, you need all the goodies. Why is it not coming
So
off?
I guess if we raise
Oh,
it, it
duh. There we go. It takes two to make a thing go right.
So, anyway, the bakery was my idea because it was my dream.
Yes.
And then, due to some circumstances, I've not been able to be in here a lot.
I understand.
But I have fabulous people in here. They do a really good job.
I introduced them.
Yes, they do custom work and they do a really good job. I think they didn't think lunch was going to be so crazy though. So
Here, I'll lick this too.
Okay.
Thank you, Faylene. Okay, I'm coming over here to get behind the shelf.
So right here gets to be the hard part. So I do this out in little clumps.
Just dollops.
Yes. And the reason being, it makes it so it's easier for me to spread, and because you can see it's still a little tight.
It sure tastes good on this batter. It's
And
bitter.
I have added, just to give it a different flavor at times, I've added lemon in it. I have added vanilla flavoring in it.
Uh-huh.
So you can just sort of play with it if you like other things.
Or lemon rind would be good.
Yes. So you can do all of that. My family likes it plain, so that's mainly how I could do
How
it.
do we have that much in common? My family likes everything plain.
And, well, they even do delicious strawberries. Whitaker Farms. So for this, then, you can see it starts wanting to do its thing. And just so you know, when I'm at home and I can't get this to do right with my spatula, I take my hand and do it. So that's what I'm going to do right here.
Well, that's what God gave us our hands for.
But it gets so it's tedious trying to
It
spread
does.
this around to get it so. And I'm not
Delicious.
real particular about it because it's going to all go together as you use it.
And you're going to cover it with,
I'm going to cover it with these strawberries.
you got it.
So, about an hour before 2, so I don't have to do everything at one time, I will. And I've got a bunch cut up today because we're going to do several to sell today.
You want me to hold this for you?
So I put sugar in these as
Yes.
I cut them because I like this juicing. And especially if I have any left and I want to freeze them, they're ready for the next time I want to make smoothies or whatever. It's already ready for me.
Or
'Cause I do-
cobbler, or whatever.
Yes, or cobblers, because you've done got the juice.
Absolutely.
I try not to put a lot of juice in this, but then I just take and spread this thick.
That's
as thick as I
awesome.
want it. You can do
Ah, they are beautiful.
yeah, if you like lots of berries, you can do this. It is just easy. This is an easy dessert that stays fresh.
Well, I call myself a dump cook. This is definitely a dump cook
It
kind of
is.
thing.
It
And you don't
is.
have to cook it, right?
No, there's no cooking to this. You just get it made and stick it in the fridge, and it's cooked for about 4 to 5 days.
My viewers are going to love this.
So this is what I do. And if I want it to be, some people want it juicier.
Yes.
But the longer it sits, the juicier it's going to get
Right,
anyway.
right.
So I've got that on there.
And you could add blueberries if you want to, right?
You
Okay.
can mix them in.
I mean, we got 4th of July coming up, is what I'm thinking.
Exactly. My family, if they're blueberries, they want them plain. We're going to eat the blueberries.
Yep.
And we freeze blueberries and eat them like that.
I like them frozen. They're good to eat frozen.
So our last layer, well, our next to last layer is all this cool whip goes on.
Yum. I'm getting hungry.
So
that's awesome.
So you really have a really good.
Is this, you just need a big cool whip.
A big cool whip.
You got it.
Or 2 small ones.
I got
you.
you.
Can improvise. And if you're making half this recipe, you only need the small one.
You can make a 9 by 9.
Yeah.
You can also make this diabetic friendly by using agave or honey to sweeten your berries.
I really like stevia.
Well,
sweeten my berries.
Here's what I'll tell you.
Okay.
Just FYI.
Well, I'm not diabetic.
I know, but my brother's on this big health kick, and he's bodybuilding, and he told me to not use any kind of artificial sweeteners. He said use natural.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
And,
My husband is all about honey.
Well, you could do honey for honey.
But I'm not a honey girl, so.
Gotcha.
I'm a sugar girl.
I am too, honey. I eat white sugar all the time.
So this is basically it.
That looks delicious.
But
Faylene.
then we sell these wonderful pecans here.
Mm-hmm.
And you can do anybody's pecans. You know, they just need to be fresh. Make sure you're not getting any old.
But if you're close by, this is a great alternative here.
These are actually Georgia pecans.
You can taste the difference in the
Yes.
flavor.
Georgia is known for their pecans. The weather and just the climate is good for pecans. So then I just sprinkle these all across the top.
Girl.
And for one son, I have to leave one corner of pecans off because he don't like pecans.
I understand that.
But I just eat his part. So you just sprinkle these on. And so as thick as you want them. I like a lot because then I say it's healthy for me.
You got your protein. That's protein.
Yeah, I'm like this is healthy for me.
I love that.
So this is our finished dessert, and I will.
And it's beautiful.
And we will cool it for an hour before we serve it.
And are we tasting it?
Oh yes, we're going to taste it.
Yay. Winifred, we're tasting testing. You got to come taste. I understand the man in charge. Yep.
So do we have some little plates?
Hey, you can put it in that if you want to.
I know, we don't need to.
Okay.
A little thing here.
Girl, I'll eat it right out of there. It'll be fine with me.
Oh, we can do the pie things. We got extra.
I don't care.
Yes.
Oh, that's perfect.
That's okay.
This is perfect, y'all.
I know Lisa. She's like
I'm
me.
not
She's
fruit
not
fruit.
particular.
No, I'm not fruit fruit. I'm plain.
That looks good.
Doesn't that look good? Oh, let these viewers be jealous of this, okay? Because this is going to be bomb.com. I have all the confidence in the world. Let me get a little bit of the goodie in one bite.
So, and our custard. Other one here is a sample. It's good, ain't it? We're not looking calories.
Girl,
So
I might have to have a second for helping. Oh, I love the vanilla wafers in it.
Makes it good.
Oh my God. Okay, this is what I'm going to be making for 4th of July.
Yes, it's very good.
Come and buy it. I'll make it for you.
One of them says you can come and buy it. She'll have it made.
Well, I'll tell you what, when I come back down here, I want to bring Andy.
Yes.
You know, he's never been here.
I
My
want
husband,
you to bring
Andy, the
Andy.
imaginary farmer, has never been here.
And he and my son are really good friends.
They talk all the
really
time.
good friends.
And now, get this. Some of the guys in that leadership program, they call my son for chemical.
I'm sure they do. Because they know them
Yep.
and his contacts.
Oh my gosh, this is delicious, y'all.
Do you want me to bring it to her?
Is that not good? Me
They do.
too.
They do to me. The pecans make it.
Oh my gosh, Faylene. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. We are keeping it real and cooking it up and cutting it up with Faylene Whitaker. Say goodbye, Faylene.
Goodbye.
Thank you, Faylene, so much.